Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts. Today in this video, we are going to showcase one app demo, or more specifically, it is proof of concept, or in short term, it is called POC. So the app name is, or app concept is how to extract informations from document or image. And the technology behind it, we will use AWS Textract. So if you are struggling to pull data from document or images so fast or quickly, this app use cases can be very helpful or time saving process. So imagine this like invoices, contract, or even handwritten notes piling up. From this example, you might need some key information from this document or the images like customer data like customer ID, the customer address, PIN numbers, PAN numbers, date of birth, email address, and occupations, what is and what are the mobile number. So these are some basic information or the important information you can extract from this document or the form. So these are some clients that are using AWS Textract. You can see in the healthcare, these are the change healthcare pros client, insurance, lending, public sectors, software, internet, others, and also for more information you can check out the case study, and the case study link is given in the description. So these are some real life examples where the people are using AWS Textract. Okay, so now let's see how the app will look like in actions we have developed. So this is the app landing page. You can see in landing page we have followed the minimalistic design pattern or UI pattern. Here you can upload just by dragging and drop, or just you can click. You can directly upload any file like PDF, PNG, JPG, JPEG, all these things just by dragging and drop, or you can just upload the file just by clicking here. So let me select any file. Okay, so these are some data set. Okay, I have already in my computer, it is already saved. Okay, let me open it. Okay, so the processing is going on and the file is uploaded successfully. You might see progress bar, and now see what are the different functionality, core functionality we have integrated. After uploading any document, it processing will done in the backend, and also you can see here on the top how much processing time this app or this form has taken to process. Similarly, you can search any field like what are the information are extracted from this image. You can see here. Okay, and these are the field and the value. So what is the meaning of field and value? So all the informations are in any form are labeled with some mapped with labels and value. Okay, so labels means the name is label, or we can say the name is field, and what is the Roshan here is a name or like value. Similarly, customer ID is the label, or in more professional term, this is called field, and this is the value. Again, this is field and this whole is value. Okay, again you can see here this could be a field and this could be value. Okay, just like that. So all the information will be extracted and mapped in the form of field and value. You might have seen some of the not 100% accurate information, some of the field information you might not get accurately. So there are some basic modification or minor changes you can. So these are the data. Also, once your data you can validate it, what are the data needed, you can directly save this data. Okay, as well. And let me show you the, if you want to search something. Okay, so let me search, the first one is name. Okay, so you can see sometime the last character, what are the other customization in it can be done, but you see here there is two levels, name and MR and message. So applications now currently using considering this as a label, but but it should be name, should be label. Okay, this is not salutation word, right? But it could be giving output like that, but we can do some modification. If typing this one, you can get some name. Okay, so these are minor things. We haven't done too much optimizations or too much edit customization here. Just we are trying to implement how the tech stack can be integrated on implemented in our app, and how we can use this one. Okay, finally let us let me show some other field. Let me show the PAN card. Okay, so you think PAN card is correctly email ID, email, but I think there is, what could be the next, I think address, it should be like that. Okay, you can see the email address, fine. Oh, So you can see here, fine. So case sensitive is also okay. So you have to search about, you have to take care about this thing as well. Let's save this data, the extracted data, and finally once you click on that, you can see the data in XLS file. You can save the file data, you can save the data in any format like JSON format, CSV format, XLS format, and directly you can save this data in your local applications or any applications like CRM where you need this data to be processed or utilized. So you can see this data is saved in XLS file. Fine. Let me try some more images or data. Okay, so let me do this. Processing is happening in the background. Now you can see here again, you might not, it cannot be 100% accurate, mapping with the field and the value, but most of the informations you can see here. Okay, still if you are going to type manually, it will take more time, but this will save your time. Also we can do some more modifications or customizations, and you can see how much time is taken, 4.95 seconds. You can search it again. Verifications, okay, so you can see verifications, this one, day something, let I'm searching anything, this one, see this one. If if you are getting this, want to get this value 19, so you might have seen 20 is a, I think it could be stored as a field. Okay, you can see. So there should be little bit modifications to get accurate, but that is doable. Okay, but kindly this all the result given by this AWS Textract. Okay, fine. Let me upload some PDF file. Okay, so this one PDF. Okay, fine. Again you can see the data. I think this is more accurate data, right? We are, so might have seen this all the based on the quality of data we are uploading. Okay, so account number we are getting accurately, communication address where it is, this one you are getting the correct one, date, yeah, you are getting the correct, father name, okay, these are also getting the correct information. Okay, so you might have seen the based on the quality of data, your quality of extraction or data will be depend upon this. Okay, you can also save this data. Okay, you want to search here, let's search account number. You can see it's working a live search. Now again you can picture these real world use cases. Suppose retailers want to digitize receipt, HR team processing employee form, developer embedding into app for logistic and finance. Also this is not just extraction, it save your time and smarter decision to implement in your business. Customization and export, you can do lots of customization from this app and export the data in the different format based on your need. Okay, just like exporting anywhere, like you want to Excel, in your CRM, or straight directly into your app database. So it's built to fit your flow. So these are benefit of this app, like faster processing time, reduced error, cost saving, and scalable for large volume. So why waste time on manual data entry? With such data extraction app and with the help of AWS Textract, you can accurately speed up and do the more flexibility with this one. So whether you are just running a business or coding the next big thing, this app idea could be very helpful. So thank you so much for your time and patience. If you are ready to make data extraction a game changer for you or helpful for you, we are here to build your app or AI solutions from the ground up. Codersarts expert will work with you to seamlessly integrate AWS Textract and other AWS services. We bring our year of experience in building robust, scalable applications for the client worldwide. So contact us for today at our website www.codersarts.com, or you can directly reach out to us through contact@codersarts.com or through our email ID. So let's turn your idea into reality. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, and also your suggestion and feedback will help us to make the better AI solutions, and we can also record more such videos.